Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that blends astrology and business. We're going to break down the top 5 zodiac signs that are practically built for success in the business world. Whether you're a hardcore believer or just zodiac curious, there's no denying that certain personality traits can give you an edge in the competitive world of business. So, we're going to look at these top 5 signs and dissect the key traits that make them such powerhouses in the professional realm. We'll explore how these characteristics translate into real-world business acumen and how you can leverage your own sign's strengths for success. Let's get started. First up, we have Aries, the Ram. These individuals are known for their boldness and fearlessness, always ready to charge headfirst into any challenge. In the business world, this translates to being incredible initiators and risk-takers. They're the ones who aren't afraid to go after what they want, even if it means shaking things up a bit. Think about it, starting a business requires a certain level of guts, right? You're diving headfirst into the unknown, and that's where Aries thrive. They're not afraid of the hustle, the long hours, or the possibility of failure. This inherent leadership quality makes them a natural at motivating and inspiring others. This combination of boldness, leadership, and a relentless drive to succeed makes Aries a force to be reckoned with in the business world. They're the ones who pave their own way, break down barriers, and inspire others to do the same. Next, we have Capricorn, the goat. Capricorns are the marathon runners of the zodiac. They're known for their discipline, focus, and long-term vision. These qualities build empires. Capricorns are all about strategy and planning. They carefully consider their options and develop meticulous plans. Capricorns have ambition in spades. They set lofty goals and work tirelessly to achieve them. Let's talk about Taurus, the bull. Taurus individuals are the steady hand at the helm in a storm. Known for their practicality, reliability, and determination. They get the job done, no matter what. Think of Taurus as the builders of the zodiac. They thrive on hard work. Success is built brick by brick, day by day. They're in it for the long haul. This strong work ethic sets them apart. Taurus is a valuable asset in any business endeavor. Now, let's talk about Leo, the lion. These individuals are natural-born leaders, radiating charisma and confidence wherever they go. In the business world, this translates to being exceptional communicators, negotiators, and networkers. Leos understand the importance of building relationships. They know that people do business with people they like and trust. They're not afraid to put themselves out there, to network and build relationships that can benefit their business. And when it comes to leadership, Leos are in a league of their own. They have a way of inspiring and motivating their team to achieve their full potential. They lead with passion and enthusiasm, creating a positive and productive work environment. This combination of charisma, leadership, and creativity makes Leos a valuable asset to any business. They're the ones who inspire and motivate others, who build strong relationships, and who aren't afraid to take risks and think outside the box. Finally, let's talk about Virgo, the Virgin. These individuals are known for their meticulous attention to detail, their analytical minds, and their practical approach to problem solving. In the business world, this translates to being exceptional strategists, organizers, and problem solvers. Virgos are all about efficiency and order. They thrive in structured environments where they can analyze data, identify patterns, and develop strategies for success. This analytical approach, combined with their sharp intellect, makes them exceptional problem solvers. They can quickly identify the root cause of an issue, develop a plan of action, and execute it with precision. They also have a deep sense of responsibility and a strong work ethic. This combination of analytical skills, attention to detail, and a strong work ethic makes Virgos invaluable assets in the business world. They're the ones who ensure things run smoothly and develop innovative solutions that drive success. And there you have it, the top 5 zodiac signs that shine in the business world. We've explored the unique strengths of Aries, Capricorn, Taurus, Leo, and Virgo, and how their inherent traits translate to success in the professional realm. Remember, this is just a glimpse into how astrology can provide insights into our strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're a fiery Aries or a meticulous Virgo, every sign has something unique to offer. The key is to understand your own strengths and leverage them to achieve your goals. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content exploring the intersection of astrology and personal finance, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching.